When you do a search at Google, I'm going to search for Athens Olympics. You can click on this link to go to the Athens Olympics homepage. I can click on Cache to see Google's copy of it. But do you notice to the right it says Similar Pages? One of the options for most of the links is you can have Google show you pages that are related to that particular hit. So when I click on Similar Pages, what it's going to do is it's going to show me pages that Google thinks are similar to the Athens 2004 Olympic Games homepage. Click on that, and Torino, Beijing Organizing Committee. So it's a pretty strong little hit. It's a great way if you have a web page and you say, hey, what else is out there that's like this? You can actually click on the Similar Pages and it'll give you some more hits. You can also do similar page searches manually. All you need to do is type related : and then the web page address. Google, for some reason or other, puts in a trailing slash, and I've discovered that there is no difference between having or not having a trailing slash. Right now we have 29 hits with the trailing slash. If I remove that trailing slash, I have 29 hits, so there's no big difference. But let's go and do a search for related Microsoft.com. Now, before I hit enter, think about this for a minute. What web pages out there do you think are related to Microsoft.com or similar to Microsoft.com? Well, I'm guessing Apple would probably be up there. Intel, maybe HP. Well, let's find out. We'll hit an enter here. Remember, it's related : Microsoft.com, no spaces. And Microsoft Corporation is the first hit. Scroll down. Netscape, HP, Cisco, Intel, Macromedia. There's Apple. Yay. Real Networks, Novell. That's a pretty strong little hit. So what Google has done is it showed me the pages that it thinks are related to Microsoft.com. Let me try that again. I'm going to search for CNN.com. And we've got CNN.com, USA Today, Washington Post, MSNBC, LA Times. That's pretty good, but do you notice somebody who's missing? LA Times, Weather Channel, BBC, Google News, Scandinavia News, WN Network. CNN's #1 competition here in the United States is Fox News, and I'm not seeing Fox News anywhere in the top 10. This is not a deliberate omission on Google's part. This list that we see right here is really just compiled by a computer that's crunching numbers, and it's a big algorithm, and it's just comparing links and figuring out what sites are related. It's not perfect, but it is actually pretty good. How can you use related searches? Well, if you like a particular web page or website and you want to see what else is out there that's kind of like that particular web page or website, a related search may show you some resources that you might not know about. For example, there's a website out there called albinoblacksheep.com. So what else is out there like albino black sheep? West Virginia Surf Report, Crack Baby for the Twisted Little Kid in You. Yeah, that's newsgrounds.com. So you can say, hey, I found this really cool website. What else is out there? Do a related search at Google, and it's going to show you what else is out there that's kind of like that page that you typed in. Our friends at Google also mentioned that if you're looking for product information, you can use related searches to help you find competitive information so that you can make direct comparisons. So if you have a product and you know the product's homepage, you can type related and then the product homepage, and Google's going to show you pages that are related to that particular product. Of course, there are some offbeat websites out there that are pretty much unrelated to anything else on the internet, but those sites really are few and far between. For the most part, I've discovered that any web page you can think of, you can do a related search on.